Did you know that the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, sways up to 1.5 meters in Dubai's high winds? Now imagine standing on the top floor during a windstorm. This towering giant holds the record-breaking status as the world's tallest building, a testament to the marvel of modern architecture and engineering. It is not just a building, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of design. All these fascinating facts make you wonder, what strange science went into constructing this towering giant? Have you ever thought about why skyscrapers like the Burj Khalifa are designed to sway? It might seem counterintuitive, but these towering structures are not rigid. They are, in fact, designed to move with the wind. This is a crucial aspect of their design that helps to prevent structural damage. Consider the Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure in the world. Located in Dubai, this skyscraper often faces high winds, but thanks to its ingenious design, it can comfortably withstand these winds. The Burj Khalifa's design is particularly clever, with its shape changing every few floors. This design disrupts the wind flow around the building, reducing the forces that could cause it to sway excessively. But it's not just about the design. The materials used in the construction play a significant role too. The Burj Khalifa, for instance, combines steel and concrete in a unique way to give the structure its necessary flexibility. The concrete core provides rigidity to withstand the vertical forces of gravity, while the steel frame adds flexibility to cope with horizontal forces like wind. This combination of design and materials allows these skyscrapers to sway gently in the wind rather than resist it. This movement is usually so subtle that most people inside the building wouldn't even notice it. So, the next time you're in a tall building and feel a slight sway, remember, it's all part of the design to keep you safe. But how exactly did they manage to build the Burj Khalifa, a structure that stands a whopping 828 meters tall? The construction of this colossal skyscraper was no small feat. It began with the use of reinforced concrete, a robust material composed of cement, gravel, sand, and reinforced steel bars. This robust combination allowed the Burj Khalifa to withstand the harsh desert climate and the heavy winds at such extreme heights. Then came the unique tiered design. Inspired by the Himinocalis flower, each tier of the Burj Khalifa steps back in a spiraling pattern, allowing the building to shed wind vortices and distribute the weight evenly. This ingenious design was a key element in reaching such dizzying heights. However, the construction wasn't without challenges. Workers had to endure scorching heat, high wind speeds, and logistical nightmares. Yet they soldiered on, driven by the vision of a record-breaking marvel. And there you have it, the strange science and fascinating facts behind the construction of the Burj Khalifa. Next time you see this towering structure, you'll know just what went into making it stand so tall.